everyone to stand. Miss Leah, please lead us the prayer. Amen. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, children. I am Teacher Elby,
And I'm Teacher Leo.
and we are your teacher for life. Before you take a seat, we have prepared an energizer. Did you know the song, Ang Malusog na Bata? Very good. If you know that, let's sing together and please follow Teacher Leo for the steps. Did you understand? Very good. Ang malusog na bata, masayang mag-isip. You all enjoy class? Wow, that's good to hear.
Okay, for your attendance, if I will call your name, you say, I am happy. Okay, Jian?
I am happy.
Prince? I am healthy. Jari?
I am healthy.
Nikki?
I am healthy.
Okay, very good.
Who can still remember our classroom song? Yes, Johnny? Very good. Sit properly. Next. Yes, Nikki? Very good, Nikki. Keep your phone silent. Who else? Yes, Jehan? Very good. Don't talk to your sibling. Can I expect that, class? Okay, I hope so.
For your assignment, please pass it in front. Okay, let's sing pass your paper. Pass your paper, pass your paper to the front, to the front.
I have here a set of numbers. All you have to do is to find the corresponding letters of this number to form a word. Did you understand? Very good. Now, let's answer. What letter is number 13? Very good. Letter M. Next, number 1. Very good. Letter A. Next, number 12. Very good. Letter L. Number 14. Letter N. Number 21. Letter U. Number 20. Letter T. Number 18. Letter R. Number 9. Letter I. Number 20. Letter T. Number 9, letter I. Number 15, letter O. And number 14, letter N. So, the word is malnutrition. Now, I have a question. What do we need to do to become a healthy person? Yes, Lynn. Very good. Eat healthy foods and avoid eating unhealthy foods. Hey, very good.
Okay, for our objective, demonstrate understanding of the importance of nutritional guidelines and balance in maintaining nutrition and health.
Now, I have here a pictures. Can you observe it? Okay. For the first picture, kung saan ito napansin, class? Very good, Johnny. Tambok na tao. Second picture. Payat. Payat. Third Wow,